Wow. This is a very retro store. The only original Robinsons May left, possibly in the entire state of California, unless San Francisco might have one like this. I love that elevator.
I love the door frame around it too.
Cool.
Montgomery.
The elevator's being in use right now. That's so cool.
There we go.
Yep. Okay, there's the top of the elevator shaft.
Look at this part, Dave. That's really cool. See the brown gathering? On your way.
No, I'm just doing it to the side so I can get the view too.
Just making sure.
You're good, don't worry. It's going all the way down.
Escalator has two brand new handrails.
I like that door frame too, by the way, by the elevator.
Yeah, it's really classy.
It is.
Macy's at Westfield Promenade had gold doors on the outside.
Oh, I really wish I could have seen that.
You would have loved that
I
one.
know. I didn't have that type of freedom back in 2015.
Is anyone behind this? Oh yeah, there is.